Welcome to Pradeep Lessons. Good morning, friends. In this video, I will explain how to do project work very easily. Class 3, Unit 5, Part C, My Friend, Project Work. In this video, I would like to explain how to do project work very easily with the help of pictures. Put the following describing words under correct headings. This is very easy. Let's go how to do this project work. First picture. This is very easy to identify. This is one of the color, that is pink. Pink word referring to color. Here pink is goes to color. Then next picture. This is also very easily identified. Orange. Orange is one of the color, and then this word referring to color. Here orange is goes to in this table color. And then next picture. Here there are two flowers are there. Two is syndicates number, and then this word referring to number. Here 2 goes to in this table number. And then here there are two words are there. One is more and second one is less. Here more is stands up. That means high. More words referring to number. Here more is goes to in this table number. And then next picture. Here two bottles are there. We observe many is quantity. Here many goes to number. Then next picture. Here this picture is appeared very small. We consider this picture tiny. This word referring to size. And then here tiny goes to size. And then another picture. This is very easily identified. Purple. This word goes to, it means referring to color. Here purple is goes to color. Then next picture, it is a camel. Which type of camel? Huge camel. This word referring to size. Then here huge goes to size. Next picture. In this picture there are some water is there, and then some, this word referring to number, and then here some is goes to number. And then next picture, in this picture this man very hard because of the box is very heavy, and then this word goes to size. Here heavy is goes to size. And then in this picture we compare big ball, that is another one is small, and then this word referring to size. Here is size, small is goes to size. Here big elephant, this is appeared big, and then big referring to a size. Here big is goes to size. And then here two boys are there, one boy is eating very interesting at it. This is called delicious. Delicious words goes to, it means referring to taste. Here delicious goes to taste. Another picture, this is one of the vegetable name, that is bitter. Bitter is also referring to taste. Here bitter is goes to taste. Next picture, salty. Yes, salty is also one of the taste. This word referring to taste. Then next, here tasty. And then next picture, this is very easy. This picture is brown. Brown is or brown referring to color. Then brown is goes to here color. Next another picture is very easily identified. This is one of the color. It means gray. Gray word referring to color. Here gray is goes to column, that means color. Next picture, this is one of the interesting picture. It means spicy. Spicy is one of the taste, and then spicy referring to taste. Here spicy goes to taste. Last picture, this is also one of the taste. It means sour. This word referring to taste. Here sour is goes to